In the previous video, we tried to recover some data after I deleted the partition and deleted the data on that hard drive. So I tried to recover it with a paid application software to recover the data. But what if you don't have the money to buy this kind of application? Myself, I didn't even pay for it yet. And in this video, I will try to recover this very important files on my hard drive, which is completely deleted, the partition and the data. So we'll try this application. I heard about it a lot. It is a free application. And I'll see in this video if I can recover my data or I lost it. Or I have to go through any paid application, try with. As you can see now that I connected the hard drive and it's totally empty, no application, no data, no nothing there. Then you can go to the website WinFRGUI to download the application WinFRGUI for free. After you set up the application, now you can select the drive you want to restore or recover your data. In my case, it's D drive. So it depends what you have. Maybe it's a USB, it's a SD, it's an external drive, hard disk, whatever is it. You select it. Then you go down here and you can recover the data not only on the same drive. You can go ahead and save it in some other partition or drive. Then here you can select which quick scan or deep scan. Of course, go with the deep scan to go try to recover as much data as possible. Advanced settings, you can go to here and select what type of files you're targeting here. Maybe you don't want to recover everything, just only maybe photos or document or whatever you want. On this, you can do the selection. Then you go ahead and do start recovery. Because the recovery, it takes time, depends on the size of the hard drive and the files you have on that hard drive. So you keep it, try to do the recovery and see the results if it can help you to recover the data you have been deleted. Now I'm running this recovery for about now almost 3 hours, and until now there's nothing being recovered. Files all empty. So I don't think I'm gonna recover anything. So especially my hard drive is more like 4 terabyte of storage, and the reason of that because I have reformatted this drive many times, removed the partitions, done some data copying and deleting, and that override to the hard drive from the original data. So it's not able even to find one file to recover. And this is the mistake we do. Most of us will do is like when you have a problem with the hard drive or USB, whatever the storage, go directly and recover the data before you do anything on the storage unit. After I failed to recover the data from the hard drive, maybe I'll try some other software later on or a paid one. But for now, to check this free software is able to recover data from this USB drive, I'm gonna save some data here and try to format it and try to recover the data by using the same software and see if it's actually working or not. This is the USB drive I connected now to my PC, about 30 GB. I have some files saved here by video, photo, you have some application softwares and all that. Now we'll try to do a format on this USB drive and see. We can see now the USB drive 30 GB is here. You can select the path where you want to save the recovered data. You can make a new folder and see USB drive recover, whatever is the name. Already located. Let's find another file, a folder. USB storage recovery. Now we can select the storage. We have to go through the deep scan. It depends, of course, what storage you're using, and it's gonna give you different kind of options. Here I don't have even quick scan because you have a small capacity of storage here. So we can start with the recovery. Of course, you have the settings of retrieving which sectors here, which cluster size and all that. but you don't need to go through this unless if you know what you're doing. Now this is the process of doing the recovery. We'll see how much time it's gonna take to do the recovery. Now this is a process of recovery of this USB drive. Now we found about 33 files until now, still about 4 minutes remaining, about 90% now we process. You can view the recovery files and you can see it's covered by categories, by images, extensions, and MP4 and PNG and all that. So this is one of the files we have deleted and formatted. MP4 got actually covered for me more than the files I have in the last format. These files I have it even before that. It's still available on this. The problem is it's recovering with it give you numbers, not the actual names and what was the file was named before the deletion of the format. But at least it starts recovering in some files and folders for free. You have any problem with the hard drive, just go directly and do recovery. Don't do overwrite over and over again on the same drive and trying to recover data. Go ahead and recover it, then do whatever you want to do by formatting or copy and pasting and making new data on that drive before you lose the actual files you're trying to recover. This is one of the softwares I found is useful to recover your data for free. If you have any other software, free software you are using, let me know in the comment, or you are using any paid one. So let me know the results if you're using this application. It's actually help you to recover the data from your hard drive or USB. Now this is the last result after completing. Found about 41 files and stored the place we have saved it in Airedale, and you can view the files that been recovered. And you can see the log here. What is the files being recovered? And they name it by serial number. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.